welcome. Come on in. Customer coming in to check out his 2020 BMW. Went with our new BMW new car protection or detail, which comes with a full interior cleaning, exterior cleaning, light polish, ceramic coating. Yeah, you have a nasty rock chip already. You know what you can do if you want? I can order the paint for you. It'll take about a week, and then we can fill that in for you, okay? I like that word, wow. That's what we like. Oh, can you say that one more time? Customer said it looks better than when he bought it. Of course, that's what our new car detailing will do. And then you're fully protected on the inside. Leather coating. So take your time, do your inspection.
Well, enjoy it.
Beautiful. BMW new car detailing service, full interior cleaning, exterior cleaning with 6 months ceramic coating and a light polish.
Thank you.
You approve? Awesome. Thank you so much.